Okay, now let's do the eighth question. Okay, that is ax plus b upon px squared plus qx plus r. Now you see this has this here, the both the numerator and denominator has the x functions. Okay, so we will use the u upon v formula. Okay, quotient of two functions. Okay, so u, let this be, assuming this to be u and assuming the denominator to be v. Okay, so u upon v whole dash, which is equal to u dash v minus u v dash upon v square. Okay, now u is equal to ax plus b implies u dash is equal to derivative of ax plus b, which will be derivative of a is a constant, we'll bring it out, so d by dx of x plus d by dx of b, so which is equal to derivative of x will be 1, so a into 1 will be a, and this will be constant will be 0. Okay, derivative of constant is 0, so which is a. This is u dash, a is u dash. The same way v is equal to px square plus qx plus r. Okay, so v dash is equal to d by dx of px square plus qx plus r. Okay, so this will be, you can take the, bring the p, since it's a constant, be out, so let it be here p d by dx of x square plus q also is a constant, we'll bring it out, and q d by dx of x plus d by dx of r. Now p, this is in the form x raised to n, so 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1 plus q x, the derivative of x is 1, and this a constant, so its derivative will be 0. So this can be written as 2px, 2 minus 1 is 1, okay, plus q into 1 is q. So this is a v dash. Okay, this is v dash. So now let's put these values in the formula. Okay, so this is equal to, now u dash is equal to, what is u dash? A multiplied by v is px square plus qx plus r. Okay, minus u is ax plus b. Okay, now v dash, this is v dash. Okay, 2px plus q, this is v dash. Okay, upon v square, so v square will be px square plus qx plus r. Okay, whole square. Now let's multiply the a, okay, in inward, so it become a px square plus aqx plus ar. Okay, and let this be in brackets. Okay, now let's multiply ax and b, this to function to this. Okay, so ax plus 2 px will be 2a px square. Okay, 2a px square. Okay, so this will be plus aqx, and b into this will be plus 2bpx. Okay, plus this will be b into q will be bq upon px square plus qx plus r whole square. Okay, so now let's remove the brackets. So we have apx square plus aqx plus ar, and when we remove here the brackets, the negative gets multiplied inside, so we have negative 2apx square, negative aqx, negative 2bpx, and negative bq upon px square plus qx plus r whole square. Okay, that's it. Now you see we have apx square here and negative 2 apx square, so this both gets subtracted and we'll have negative apx square. Okay, and you have a positive aqx and a negative aqx, so this get cancelled. You have the remaining ar and minus negative 2bpx and negative bq upon px square plus qx plus r whole square. Okay, now you see, now this is the answer. Okay, we can just leave it this way, it's answer, but we are arranging this according to the its power. Okay, that is in the descending order, like ax square plus bx plus c form. Okay, so the highest power is this one, so we write a px square, the next one is x raised to 1. Okay, so minus 2bpx. Okay, the next, these both are constants, so plus ar minus bq upon px square plus qx plus r whole square. Okay, so this is our final answer. That's it.